bored? Okay, then one can come onto the stage and sing a song. But the chance goes only to a person. Is there anyone who can get this challenge? No. Okay then. If I say, come with a group, are you ready for that? Yeah, exactly, you will come. Staying together is a source of strength. That's why you didn't come alone. Contestants, honorable judges, and my dear friends, I'm coming back to my statement. Staying together is a source of strength. It quietly explains unity is strength. It can be applied to family, community, or country at large. It implies us that we are stronger if we remain united and can overcome any difficult situation. The principle of unity is happiness and peace. And also, it teaches the lesson of forgiveness. In fact, the term called unity defines our society because we too live with harmony. Our country Sri Lanka is the best example. Everyone must live with harmony and also give support as well as encourage each other. If we continue to remain rigid or uncooperative, then the foundation of our society will crumble down and our nation will never be able to protect itself as a strong nation with the powerful countries in the world. Unity gives strength to each and every individual and helps in building a powerful nation. I think you had understood a bit about the importance of unity, don't you? And also, if we lost the quality of unity, we will definitely face many conflicts or fights. You should also understand that these conflicts or fights are absolutely pointless, as these only worsen the situation and spoil the beauty of any relationship. Any outsider would take benefits from these conflicts or fights taking place between two individuals. Haven't you heard the story of an old farmer who had 3 sons? The story goes, once upon a time, there was an old farmer who was verge of death. He had 3 sons who used to quarrel a lot among themselves. One day, he called his 3 sons and gave a stick to each and every one to break. Every son managed to break the stick. Then he gave a bundle of sticks to his eldest son to break. He couldn't do it. Likewise, he gave the bundle to his remaining sons who failed to break the stick. Then he told his sons, just like anyone can break a single individual, so if you choose to live separately after my death, anyone would take advantages from your situation and harm you. After hearing this, every son promised to live together for the rest of their life. So the moral of this story is unity is strength. Always remember that never become a laughing stock for others. Always try to pacify the situation with non-violent means. I would like to end up with this famous saying by Franklin T. Roosevelt. He said, "The point in history at which we stand is full of promises and danger. The world will either move forward towards unity or widely share prosperity, or it will move apart." So unity is key to success in any difficult situation. Over to contestant.